Ilu jgħix f'pajjiżna għal dawn l-aħħar 20 sena wara li ħadem għal numru ta' snin fis-servizz Ingliżi. Fil-bidu ta' snin f'pajjiżna Stuart Burke kien għaddej minn mumenti diffiċli ta' depressjoni. It-terapija saba fit-turiżmu. Jagħmel xogħol volontarju billi jara li t-turist li jżur pajjiżna igawdi l-aqwa elementi li taf toffri ż-żona tal-kottonera.
Well, basically, I couldn't do anything when I first got here. I could hardly walk. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the doctors, and I just want really to say thanks and sort of be useful again so I can do something and show people the area, which I think is so much history in this area. It's unbelievable the amount of history and heritage you've got here.
Ix-xogħol ta' Stuart Burke kien rikonoxxut ftit jimilu fit-Tourism Star Awards, premijiet li jirrikonoxxu ħidmet bosta f'dan il-qasam. Il-ħinijiet twal li Burke qatta l-Birgu ġelitu jsir iħobb din iż-żona, żona li fi kliemu verament unika.
And I fell in love with this area basically because of look at the architecture around it, and you've got 3-4 museums in the area. In walking distance of each other. Where else in the world could you do that? There's nowhere in Europe you could do anything like this.
Fil-ftit ħin li konna miegħu innutajna l-passjoni li bija jispjega lit-turisti fejn għandhom imorru, xi drabi juri ritratti dwar l-istorja taż-żona u anke jagħti suġġerimenti ta' x'għandhom jagħmlu biex igawdu l-veduta taż-żona. Għal tal-aħħar Burke jissuġġerixxi vjaġġar bid-dgħajsa tal-pass, tradizzjoni li naqset, però Burke jara li jibqa' jagħtihom importanza. Din id-dedikazzjoni waslitu biex jiltaqa' ma' nies ta' fama.
With George Best drove past when he couldn't walk, he come past in a taxi and said hello, and my sister was actually staying in the same hotel as him in Salima at the time, so that was good. And we've had Prince William on the boat as well.
Iltaqa' oħrajn li ilhom iżuru pajjiżna, però qatt ma żaru din il-parti ta' pajjiżna.
Just last week there was a tourist that had been coming to Malta for the last 12 seasons, or 12 years. They're in their 60s. And it's the first time they've been to the 3 cities, and they went, why isn't anybody told us about it?
Il-ħidma volontarja ta' Burke hija ambizzjuża. Dik li bħalma xogħlu ingħata rikonoxximent, iż-żona tal-kottonera tingħata rikonoxximent akbar.
And I want to put it on the map. That's what I want to do.